Hi friends, welcome to SriSai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python set collection with add operation, update operation. So what is this set in Python? So set is unordered collection of data in Python programming. So coming to some technical points and properties of a set. So first one, set is unordered collection of elements. Second one, set elements are unique. So set does not accept duplicate objects. Next, set elements are mutable. We can update them, we can delete them, or simply we can modify the set elements. And set does not provide indexes to its elements, and set values are given in curly brackets and they are separated with commas. For example, set 1 curly braces 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. One more example, set days curly braces Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So set is capable of storing same type of data as well as different type of data. And set order is not preserved. So now coming to add, update operations. So we use add function to add elements into the set. We can add one element at a time and it will be added in unordered collection. For example, set 1 add of 66, set 1 add of 77. Next, update function. It is used to add multiple elements at a time into the set collection. For example, set 1 update. So here I'm going to update a list of values or a iterable collection of values 66, 77, 88. So the input parameter can be any iterable collection of data like list, tuple, another set, or range also. Range function, it will generate a set of or a collection of values. Right. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python set example 3. Take a new page. So first write comments at the beginning of the program. So initially I'm taking set 1, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55 in curly brackets, print set 1. So let us execute till here. Right, so save the program in your working directory. So come to the prompt where you have saved the program and run it. So Python set example3.py. So order is not preserved. 5 elements 33, 22, 55, 11, 44. Next, second one, add operation. So I'm adding 2 more elements into the set. Add 66, add 77, print set 1. So save this, run. So 66 and 77 are added into the unordered collection of elements in a set. Next, update. So set1 dot update, I'm passing a list collection 88, 99, 110. Print set1. Save, run. So 88, 99, 110 in unordered set collection. Next, I will pass tuple. So set1 update pass tuple. So tuple is given in circle brackets 10, 20, 30. Print set1. So save this, run. So put proper comments for the remaining cases, save, rerun. So 10, 20 and 30. Next, I'm going to pass another set collection to update method. Update set1 update. I'm passing set of 40, 50, 60. Print set1. Right. Rerun. So 40, 50, 60. Next, we'll use range function. So set1 update. I'm taking range 1 to 10. So range function, it will generate a range of values from 1 to 9. Last element is not included. So 1 to 9 elements will be added to set1. Print it. Save it and run. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 to 9. Next, finally, we will create a set update. So set1.update using hello. So hello is a string which is a iterable collection of characters. So H, E, L, L, O will be added to set1, print it. Save it and run. Okay. So H, E, L, L, O, E, O, H, L. And set does not accept duplicate objects. We got only one L. L is duplicated. It is not accepted. So this is how we are supposed to work with set collection, add operation, single element, and then update operation, multiple addition of elements at a time. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video. And also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.